Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, introduce SOKO indoor air curtain, highlight features or overview summary are include. Powerful air curtain fan for door. This is a super high-speed air curtain fan with air volume of 1059 cfm, 1800 square meter per hour, and wind speed of 433.07 inch per second, or 11 meter per second. The air curtains for doors don't produce hot or cold air, but separates the indoor and outdoor air environment through high-speed airflow operation, reducing the entry of pollutants such as external smoke and dust into the room. Adjustable speed door air curtain. The door air curtain fan has two adjustable speeds, high speed and low speed, which can be adjusted by buttons on the machine or remotely by remote control. Buttons include high speed, low speed, and switch. Multi-function adjustable speed operation of the air curtain 36-inch can be commercial or household, but also can be installed inside or outside the door. In addition, air curtain for flies should be cleaned once every 6 months. Air curtain outdoor for isolating air. Air curtain commercial doorway can isolate indoor and outdoor air, blocking the air from dirty, mosquitoes, cold and hot air. In summer, the heat is isolated outside, and in winter, the cold wind is stopped from entering the room, keeping the indoor temperature warm in winter and cool in summer. Air curtain for home built-in high-quality motor, smooth operation which is low noise. And the next highlight feature that recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, will introduce is, easy to install air curtain commercial. The package accessories are provided with a removable mounting plate and detailed installation instructions. You can refer to the instruction manual for installation. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.